Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best M370 Crossbow is probably one of the most impressive crossbows on the market. If you're in the market for a powerful and accurate crossbow for hunting or target shooting, then you're in the right place. This crossbow boasts advanced features like lightweight construction, an adjustable stock and scope, and a compact design, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced shooters. Number 5. Wicked Ridge XX7520 Aluminum Crossbow Arrows. Introducing the Wicked Ridge XX75 Crossbow Arrows. These arrows are designed for optimal performance and accuracy. They are a great choice for any Wicked Ridge crossbow user. Each 20-inch XX75 arrow is fletched with 2.0-inch Easton Bully boat-tail vanes. This design ensures consistent flight and improved accuracy. You'll notice the difference downrange. These arrows are inspected for straightness to within .003. This attention to detail contributes to their exceptional accuracy. The 13-grain carbon insert helps to generate a 10% FOC. The Alpha Nock features a deep groove and large smooth radius base. This design helps to hold the bowstring securely. Its HP aluminum bushing provides increased strength and accuracy. The string wraps tightly around the center of the Alpha Nock. This results in straight nock travel and precision downrange accuracy. It also minimizes string serving wear. The XX75 arrows are compatible with all Wicked Ridge crossbows. They are the perfect match for your Wicked Ridge crossbow, ensuring optimal performance. What we like. These aluminum arrows offer impressive accuracy with a .003 straightness. The Alpha Nock HP design ensures a secure string grip for consistent shots. If you are looking for reliable performance and precision, this is a great choice. What people say. These fit exactly as described, quick shipping and good value. Accuracy seems spot on. These 20-inch bolts were great, very accurate. These are good bolts for target shooting out to over 125 yards, supported not freestanding. Maintain the runout 0.002 after numerous shots into spider targets. Number 4. Wicked Ridge SDS, Noise and Oscillation Reduction System. Introducing the Wicked Ridge String Dampening System. This system is designed to significantly reduce noise and oscillation. It makes your crossbow quieter, preventing game from being spooked. The SDS mounts directly to the riser. It dramatically reduces string noise and oscillation. This results in a quieter shot and less chance of scaring away your target. With the Wicked Ridge SDS, you'll experience quieter shots. This allows you to have a better hunting experience. It helps you stay undetected in the field. The Wicked Ridge SDS is compatible with several Wicked Ridge crossbow models. These include the Invader 400, Invader X4, Rampage 360, Blackhawk 360, Warrior Ultralight, Ranger X2, and Raider 400 Decock. The system is easy to install. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This string dampening system significantly reduces noise and oscillation. It's easy to install and compatible with multiple Wicked Ridge crossbow models. If you like a quieter shot and want to avoid spooking game, consider this upgrade. What people say. Easy to install, crossbow is much quieter, highly recommend. Great quality product. Fit and worked as advertised. Item is as described. Number 3. Wicked Ridge Match 420 Carbon Crossbow Arrows. These 20-inch carbon arrows are designed for Wicked Ridge crossbows. They are built for accuracy and performance, making them a great choice for any hunter. The carbon shaft is fletched with 3.5 bonding X vanes. This combination ensures a stable flight and consistent accuracy, helping you hit your target every time. Each arrow is inspected for straightness to within .004. With a 46-grain aluminum insert, it creates an improved 14% FOC, generating up to 20% tighter groupings. The Alpha Nock features a deep groove and large smooth radius base. This design holds the bowstring securely, preventing any issues during the shot, and its HP aluminum bushing provides increased strength and accuracy. The string wraps tightly around the center of the Alpha Nock. This results in straight knock travel and precision downrange accuracy, while minimizing wear. Weighing 400 grains and measuring 20 inches long, these arrows provide the penetration needed for big game. They are designed to deliver lethal accuracy in the field. What we like. These carbon arrows offer improved accuracy with a 14% FOC. They are designed for better penetration, making them ideal for big game hunting. If you are looking for maximum impact in tighter groupings, you should choose this. What people say. Fly great and scored me a decent buck this last October. All I use for my crossbow do a great job. I fill my freezer every year. Good choice, well made. Number 2. Wicked Ridge by TenPoint 20-inch crossbow arrows. This system includes a knock receiver insert. It's designed to accept a combined LED unit and translucent pegged alpha bright knock. This feature enhances visibility. Upon firing, the bowstring activates the lighted knock. This provides superior flight visibility, helping you track where the arrow goes. You'll see exactly where it hits. These 20-inch arrows are fletched with 2.0-inch Easton Bully boat tail vanes. They are made of aluminum and are designed for accuracy and penetration. The XX75 arrows are inspected for straightness to within .003. They are fitted with a 13-grain carbon insert, generating a 10% FOC. This ensures accuracy. Weighing 400 grains and measuring 20 inches long, these arrows provide the penetration needed for big game. They are designed for lethal accuracy. TenPoint's Alpha Knock features a deep bowstring groove and a large smooth radius base. This helps hold the bowstring in place, preventing any issues during the shot. What we like. This arrow features a lighted knock system for superior flight visibility. The lighted knock activates upon firing, helping you track your point of impact. If you have trouble seeing your arrow's flight path, this will be very helpful. What people say. Fly great, very accurate. Perfect arrows for the Wicked Ridge crossbow. Gonna be ordering more. Accurate and looks amazing when fired. Number 1. TenPoint replacement crossbow strings and cables. This pre-twisted replacement string from Wicked Ridge is made with high-quality materials. It's designed for lasting performance, ensuring you get the most out of your crossbow. This replacement string fits Invader X4, Invader 400, Warrior Ultralight, Ranger X2, Rampage and Blackhawk 360 models. It's designed to work seamlessly with these crossbows, ensuring optimal performance. We recommend replacing the strings and cables every 2 years. This is regardless of how many shots you take per year, to ensure the best performance. Using crossbow lubricant can make a big difference in noise, accuracy, and the longevity of your crossbow strings and cables. Apply it every 20 shots to keep it in top condition. With TenPoint, you're getting a complete hunting system. This includes replacement parts engineered to help you succeed. Get ready to fill your freezer or break records. What we like. This replacement string is made with high-quality materials for lasting performance. It fits multiple Wicked Ridge models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you are looking for a reliable replacement to keep your crossbow in top condition, this is a must-have. What people say. The Wicked Ridge M370 is accurate and easy to cock. The crossbow is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The AC draw system is a great feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.